Hi everyone, I am going to show you how to create a Gmail account in your mobile phone. I am using an iOS device, but the process for Android devices is also same. The only difference is the difference in browser. So for right now, I'm going to use Safari. Click on Safari and search for Gmail, and here you will go to a page like this where at the top right you will see a sign in option, but we need to make an account. So firstly you need to scroll a little down, and after scrolling a little down you will see another option popping up saying get Gmail. So click on this. So after clicking on this, they will ask you for some of your information like your first name, last name, and your username that you would want to give for the email that you're going to create. So firstly, provide it your first name and your last name and username. You can create any type of username that you want, but I'm going to create one by my own name, and you need to give it a password. So as my username is already taken, I am going to change my username. After providing the username, you need to create a password now. So make sure that you create a strong password and a password that you'll remember. And now you need to click on the next button, and you can save your password or not save as well, and they will ask you for your phone number. So provide it your phone number and click on next. And after this they'll send you a verification code, as my verification code has already popped up. And after this you can verify your account. So you can see at the top they've already welcomed to Google, that is your account has already been made. Now they'll ask you for a recovery email address, which is very optional. If you have an email address already, you can keep one, but if you don't have and if you don't want to keep, then it's totally your call. And you need to give it your birth date, so just provide it your genuine birth date and your gender, and then click on the next button again, and they will give you some minor information about what you can do more from your phone number. So just click on yes, I'm in, and this will lead you to another page of privacy and terms. So if you want, then you can read through all the terms and conditions, but as Gmail, Google is a safe place, so you can just simply click on I agree. And after agreeing to all the terms and condition, Google will take you to Google Workspace, and in this way your Google account is made, your Gmail account is made, and now you can freely access to your Gmail. You can send mail, you can receive mails, and by clicking on the left top you'll see your account at the top popping up like this, and now you can use your Gmail. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned from it. Thank you.